This is what sources are telling your channel, that BCCI might review Gautam Gambhir's contract, even though he remains on contract as India's head coach until 2027. So if sources are to be believed, BCCI's stand could come under fresh scrutiny following the T20 series defeat to England. Sources tell Times Now that while there are no major alarm bells yet, the recent loss has triggered a wider performance review, not just of the batting unit but also of the coaching setup. Karishma is getting us more details on that. So, Gautam Gambhir's contract remains till 2027, but sources suggesting, Karishma, that it could be reviewed, reconsidered by the BCCI.
Well, yes, absolutely, Swati. This is unprecedented. The way Indian team is losing. No one's asking the Indian team to win all their matches, but there needs to be some amount of semblance in the way they are losing. They lost the last match with a 125-run margin. In this particular match, England beat them with 37 balls to spare. This is the T20 format, the quickest format, and you are the world champions in this format. So for you to lose this way, of course, it is going to trigger a wider performance review, not just of the batting unit but of the coaching setup as well. We had just reported yesterday that Vaibhav Sooryavanshi, Abhishek Sharma, the way they hit in the opening overs of the match, trying to hit every ball for a six, was under review. Tilak Varma is proving to be the weak link as far as this team is concerned. He's also been named the vice captain, and now what we are being told is that there is going to be a review meeting with the captain and the coach after the series is over. Only one more match to go in this T20 series, and the England captain also saying that we want to beat India by winning all the matches, and that they're not even focusing on the Indian team, they're focusing on the conditions that are there in England. And Shreyas Iyer and Gautam Gambhir again, sticking to their tune of adaptability and transition. But BCCI now asking that till when is this adaptability and transition excuse going to continue?
Absolutely. Is the BCCI already looking at who could replace Gautam Gambhir?
No, not yet, Swati. There is, like I said, going to be a review meeting. In that, of course, all of these things are going to be discussed as to what went wrong in England. And as far as replacing a head coach is concerned, it is not such an easy process. You have to have a committee. You have to, put out advertisements. Then people will apply. Then you will shortlist. There will be proper interviews for that position as well, because it is one of the most coveted positions when we talk about, world cricket. And even foreigners in the past have applied to be the coach of the Indian cricket team. This position has been held by Gautam Gambhir.
Absolutely.
He wanted an extension.
Does generate a lot of interest and curiosity. Thank you very much, Karishma, for getting us the details. We'll keep